Let me show you how to download and install applications on your iPhone 17. So to do it, we have to actually find this application called App Store, so Apple App Store. If you don't see it on the front screen, you can also swipe all the way to the right side. In the app library, you should be able to find it over here. So this A logo. Also, you can click here to simply search for the app library as well. So essentially, if you open up this app, so you see on the front page, you have for example, different categories here of the apps that you can download, or you can simply click this search thing and also search for any app as well. For example, so you see, and to install it, so either click on this cloud thing, or also you can click on the app name and it will open up basically more details about the app. It will show you the screenshots of the app, what it can do, and also even some reviews about it as well. So to download, press this thing. So, and let's wait for the download. Okay. And then we can click open. As you see, you have your app downloaded, and it will essentially get placed also on your home screen. So somewhere basically you'll be able to find it. So if you want to move around basically the location of this app, so you would click and hold on a blank space to enter this mode where it starts to shiver. Then you see you can drag this app. Also, you can easily drag it on the next page as well. Once done, click done. Also, at any time, again, you can also find this app in the app library. So this is where all the apps are placed. So you see also if you pull down like this. So in this app library, so pull down like this. Also, you can enter this list view here as well, where you can see all the apps here. And if you want to download that app at any time, so we can simply press and hold on it for maybe 1 or 2 seconds. And as you see, you can click remove app. So if you want to delete it from your phone completely, click delete. If you simply want to remove it from the home screen, click that obviously. But yeah, you're going to uninstall it essentially, and yeah, the app is gone. Good luck.